Alright. So, I have a deck of cards here, as is obvious. I need you to think of any card that you see, and just name it out loud.
7 of diamonds.
7 of diamonds. Alright. So, actually, it's probably best if you go through this with me. We're looking for the 7 of diamonds. Set the hearts. 7 of diamonds. That's weird. They forgot to print a card. Okay, but 7 of diamonds. You know, I think the card that they forgot to print might have been the 7 of diamonds. Okay, but we do actually need a card. We do actually need a card selected. So just actually name a card that you can see this time. That's fine. Just any of the cards. Okay, you know what? Forget about it. We'll just use your original card, the 7 of diamonds. And you know, if we have the 7 of diamonds back, well, we have the other cards too, and that's the trick.